What's happening, boys? So I'm doing a little short video today. Basically, here's why you should not buy eBay spark plugs. I bought NGK Iridiums, Heat 7s, and they sent me out one pack, and they was late on delivery. So I messaged them and said, look, they should have been here a couple of days ago. What's going on? They said, oh, we'll send you out another packet and we'll give you a refund. What does that tell you right there? They're dodgy spark plugs. They're no good. They're shit. I've gone through 2 sets now within a matter of weeks, literally. So what I've ended up doing, I've ended up just going to Euro car parks like I should have done in the first place. I paid £28 for the NGKs, and they was just, after about a week of each set, they start spluttering, breaking down, under boost. The tick over was lumpy. The car was running like shit. So I basically went and bought these Bosch spark plugs from Euro car parts, and they're decent plugs. They're the original plugs, I think, for this car. They look good. The welds on them or I don't know if it's welds or whatever, but they look clean. These other ones, I'll show you in a minute, they look shit. I knew I shouldn't have put them in the car. I knew it. Absolute garbage. I'm gutted. Shouldn't have wasted my money on it. I should have just done what I thought was best in the first place, which is go to a proper car place. So yeah, if anybody's wondering if they should buy eBay spark plugs, I fucking wouldn't. No chance. Not again anyway. You've got to try it to learn, ain't you? So yeah, just going to do a quick spark plug change and just show you how easy it is to do. Obviously most people know how to do a spark plug change, but there's some people that don't, and they will go to a mechanic just to get their plugs changed, which I don't think you should do. It's a waste of money when you could do it yourself with a socket set. So yeah, I'll crack on and show you boys how to do it. It's going to be easy, quick, no messing about. But yeah, there's the beast. I've got the yellow headlights, yellow fog light. Some people might not like that, but I like it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's tuned/RJH, tuned-vxr, sorry. RJH was my old one, which got deleted on accident. Look, nice yellow, looks smart. And what I've done as well, tinted the back lights, which was hard. It looks a lot better. The rest of the car, a lot sleeker. Oil catch can's doing alright. Same, how it's fitted. It's nice and strong still. Still need to change this blue hose for a red one, but oh well. Just got to figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going with the car. Hopefully next year I'm going to have it forged, put a big turbo on it. Garrett GT30 70 something, I think. So I'm going to get all the internals forged. But yeah, I'll change plugs now. Peace out, lads. You take your clip off. Careful when you take this off not to break any of these little clips here. 2 of mine's been broke off. So you need Torx for this one. I don't know what size Torx it is. It don't say what size torque it is, but to make sure your car's not hot, because these bolts will be roasting. Make sure if you've drove it, let it cool down. Right, so you just lift the coil pack out. pretty sure this was a 16mm socket. Yeah. Yeah, so all you need is a Torx and a 16mm socket, long socket, and you could change your plugs, but you need something to grab the plugs out, long nose pliers or something. Right, so I got something to get the spark plugs out with, and I've got the fake spark plugs what I got off eBay. You might not be able to see that. They're really loose as well. They're just breaking down. That this top bit here is moving side to side. The welds are crap. Comparing it to the Bosch ones, just absolutely ridiculous. So they're just an absolute rip-off. So they either sold me fake dodgy spark plugs. You just can't tell the difference, especially if you don't know what you're looking at. But to the untrained eye, they look sound. Like to me, they look sweet. You wouldn't even know the difference. Yeah, so enough of that. Let's get these bad boys out. That's it, job done. Coil pack back on. If you need a mechanic to do that, you shouldn't even own a car. Slice back on. Click that back on. There, job done. Sweet. Well, that was lucky. Right, lads, we're done. It took me 10 minutes, if that. Chatting shit more than anything. But there's 2 packs of spark plugs there. Iridiums off eBay. Don't buy them. They're shit. And there's the new Bosch ones that I've just put in. From Euro car parts. £28 with a discount code. So yeah, so that's 2 sets there basically of dodgy iridiums. You don't want to buy them. Stay well clear of them off of eBay. Just don't buy them. You save yourself some money in the long run, and they could break up, fall down into your cylinders, break your engine badly. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching, subscribe, give me a like, I'd really appreciate that, and leave a comment, ask any questions, or if you didn't like the video, tell me, let me know. So yeah, peace out, lads.